Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters, right here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Gary.Christiance. You know me as the van guy, serving the company since 1981. We still have a very nice new and used van inventory. Today it's a real hot item. It's a 2012 Pleasureway Plateau TS. Mid 30,000 mile range, very well taken care of. Let's pop inside. We'll take a quick spin around on the van. This is the 22-foot, 10-inch model. It's got a lot of room inside. Memory foam, ultra leather, the best of the best, the most comfortable you're going to find in the industry as far as sleeping. Flat screen, entertainment center. Got storage up on top. This is your power seat control here. You hit the button, the bed slides down, makes it into twin beds. You want to, you can take board, put in here, put the cushions in. Voila, you've got a queen bed. More storage back up here. Got shoulder restraints on both sides. Nice deep storage in the rear. And then on the door side, hold your breath. A lot of storage, upper storage. Your jealousy windows are in the back, open up on both sides for ventilation. Up front, I'll point out a fantastic fan. You've got a little swing down table extension here that gets out of the way when you're going to sleep. And the thing about the TS that people like is this has a gorgeous refrigerator. Big double door, no cold, 6 cubic foot. Nice deep freezer, and you'll notice the deep tray in the Norcold right here. If you have any problems with the temperature, that will collect all your ice and it won't run down the front. It's the kind that I use in my RV, is the Norcold. Convection microwave. Now you can bake and microwave as well. But the big closet, and I mean a big closet. So here's your tabletop that fits down on the floor. The pieces of plywood are to fit this, to make this a queen bed, and of course you got hanging space up on top. Monitor panels right up here for their generators, got 41 hours. Hot water heater, self-ignite, LED lights up above. The disconnect switch is behind this little door right here. That's your fuses and circuit breakers. Kitchen area. Nice big storage area down below. Solid surface countertops. Single lever faucet. Recessed 2-burner sink, or stovetop. Under the counter sink. And with the extra length on the Plateau, you've got more storage in here under the counter outlet, and then storage down below, which is a large area, and then your little drawers. And I've had people go, Gary, the drawers are so small. Well, it's not very wide, but we've got drawers. Bathroom is fairly spacious. You've got a nice towel bar here. Curtain comes all the way around, and you see all the Velcro to help cover everything up. If you do decide to take a shower in here, it covers up the medicine cabinet and your vanity. There's all the owner's packet information. I believe it was purchased here and traded back in on a bigger motorhome. So they didn't put any storage area up here, so when you want to enter the front, you don't have to worry about doinking your head. It does have storage above the visors, which pop down. These seats do swivel. Has tilt steering wheel, telescoping, power mirrors, windows locks, tilt cruise. It's got a DVD player. Now, if that's not your cup of tea, I can go ahead and we can put in a brand new unit with a monitor in there with a touch screen. We can fit it to whatever you want, because we have the staff that can do that. Let's go show you just how that seat turns around. Push the little button here and the seat just swivels around. Pretty easy. Nice glove box in here. It's got cup holders all around here as well as up above. And you've got your awning up on top. Water fills right here. These are wheel liners. This is a 1-ton chassis with dualies. It's got a very good, I think it's a 2,800 pound payload capacity. It's very stable going down the road. Very firm ride. You're not going to be rolling around when you go over corners. Test drive for me is the nicest thing because these handle so good. They're so quiet. So here's the crank for your awning. It's being a 2012, it is manual. There we go. So this is your rod, your power cord, and you can see all the storage, and then you can open it up from up front and access from the front as well as in the rear for all the things you're storing underneath the couch. When they went to the lithium battery, that went away because that's where they put the lithium. Backup camera's right up there. It's got a hitch, wiring. It tows up to 5,000 pounds. Spare tires mounted on the back. It's got a propane generator. Exhaust is right down here. Refrigerator vents on top. Service is down below. It's got an intake and exhaust for your furnace. Yep, this little puppy's hot when it's going. Hot water heater, direct spark ignition from the inside. Utilities, 110, water, cable, and on and off switch for your propane, which means you don't have to crawl down there to do that. Outdoor shower. Your sewer dump has a hose container down below. Being a diesel, you open the main door, and then right in here is your diesel fill. This diesel's any diesel in the market. You can't get off-road diesel because you're not an off-road. So if you pull into a service station, there's only one kind of diesel. It's not a big deal. These seats do lower down and raise up as well. And again, we talked about the power windows and locks, power mirrors, telescoping steering wheel, tilt. There's your backup camera up there. We can replace that down here if you so desire, or just use that one. I know you have a few questions. I expect that. And I'd expect you to call the guy that did the video. Call the van guy direct at 541-554-9581. Check me out on the Van Guy Facebook page or shoot me an email, either way. I appreciate your time and I do look forward to talking to you.